How are you all? Fine. Do you like to watch cartoons? Do you like to watch 3D or 2D movies? Do you know what these are called? These are called multimedia. Today we are going to learn multimedia around us. See this image? You like this image? This is funny, right? Do you like this parrot? It's also a funny picture, and the parrot is asking for cracker. Do you like these images? These images are from 3D movie clips. Now, what is multimedia? These all are multimedia, which we have seen right now. Multimedia is a combination of audio, graphics, still, and moving images, text, video, and animation. Components of multimedia: images, audio, animation, video. Let us learn what is image. An image is a still picture that is taken with the help of camera. There are two types of image available: bitmap image or raster image and vector image. You can see this image, the same picture you may have also. Bitmap images. An image that is made up with small square is called bitmap image. You can see this image. If you make it a zoom, you can see the small squares are there. Can you guess how many squares are in a full picture? Because in the small only this many. The small squares are called pixel. The number of pixels present in an image per unit area is called resolution. Vector images are made by lines, curves, dots, shapes, and this is made by all of this. We usually can see vector image in while we design logos. The logos which we have designed, these are the formats of vector image. Formats of images. There are four formats available in image: BMP, GIF, JPG, and PNG. BMP. BMP is bitmap image. So it is made by pixel, right? And pixels are the small squares. It occupies more space. Next image is GIF, graphics interface interchange format. It is an animation format. It is commonly used in cartoons and animation. It is mostly used on internet. JPEG, Joint Photographic Expat Group format. Format supported by cameras, mobile phones, etc. It takes less memory space compared to other formats. We use mostly in JPG formats. That means when we click photographs using mobile phone, camera, iPad, whichever, we get the image format is in JPG. Portable network graphics, that is PNG. This is the image format we get it in internet. It is the newest format and supports good quality images, but the size of PNG files are little more than JPG file. So if we want a very good quality pictures, which type of picture I have to take? I have to take a PNG file photos or JPG. JPG will good for, on an average, it is very good. Can you all see these movie clips? These are taken from the different 3D movies. And you also watch cartoon every day. Have you ever thought of how these cartoons are talking? How these cartoons are moving? These are moving because of it has been created an animation. Animations are the moving figures. It is a way by which an illusion of movement can be created by showing a series of images. So it's nothing but the series of images. There are many images one by one arranged in a way that it gives us a feelings that the character in the image is moving. So that is the reason it's called an illusion of movement. There are two kinds of animations is available. One is 2D animation, another is 3D animation. Let us see what is 2D and what is 3D. See, these two movie clips has been taken from two movie sequels. One is made in 2D animation, that is made in long back, and recently one more we have seen that is made in fully 3D. You must have seen. Guess the name of the movie. 2D animation. 2D animation uses a series of two-dimensional images to make them look like they are moving. These two dimensions commonly are length and width. Uh, the 2D images are nothing but the images like we draw in paper. Same way we draw in computer, we create few lines, squares, and with the help of those we create some figures, and using those figures we can make them move. That is the technique of 2D animation. 3D animation. 3D animations we use one more dimension. So 3D animation is done using three dimensions. These three dimensions are height, length, and breadth. Uh, when you see any 3D movie, when you go to cinema hall, what it happens? They give us one spec. By wearing these specs, you can see that the characters seems to be just front of you, and these characters are moving as like us, and we can touch even. But actually, can we touch it? No. This is the technique of 3D animation. As soon as you open the spec, you will see that no, they are actually far and they are in on the screen. So the 2D animation is a giving us a effect so that we feel the characters are alive. So children, what we have learned today? Today we have learned about what is animation, what are the components we are using, different types of images, different types of animation.